What is foreshadow? So foreshadowing is kind of telling the audience or reader what's going to happen at a certain point or what's going to happen towards the end or later on in the book, right? It doesn't have to be the ending. It could be before the ending. It could lead up to it, right? So when you look at different stories, you can see, like in TV shows, there's so many episodes you can go back to hear different characters of what they're saying, right? Supernatural, my favorite CW TV show. Dean Winchester is always talking about how he's going to be a hunter until he dies, right? He's going to die with a blade in his hand or a barrel at the barrel of a gun, right? So you already know Dean Winchester is going to be dying at the end of the season or at the end of the series, because he's already saying, like, he doesn't know anything else but that. And then you have his brother, Sam Winchester, and he's always wanted to go to college and have a family and be normal. Here's the clip of Dean saying how he's going to die in the previous seasons, and then he dies in the last episode and then goes to heaven. Super sad, guys. I bawled my eyes out.
I know how my story ends. It's at the edge of a blade or the barrel of a gun. You knew it was always going to end like this for me. I'll tell you what I do know, is that I'm going to die with a gun in my hand. 'Cause that's what I have waiting for me. That's all I have waiting for me.
It's supposed to end like this, right?
You know, saving people, hunting things.
Saving people, hunting things.
The family business.
It's what we do.
No, stop. Okay, just stop.
You died on the job. No better way to go.
You really believe that?
Yeah, what, you don't?
I see him.
So as you can see, Dean Winchester pretty much gave away the ending from season 1 on the very first episode when they're hunting the lady in white. And as it goes forward, I'm going to show you this next clip of Sam Winchester getting his ending just the way Dean said that he wants Sam to have it. And that's by him growing old, having a family, and dying at an old age. So let's just jump right into the video of Dean telling Sam that he wants him to grow old.
I want you to get out. I want you to have a life. Become a man of letters, whatever. You with a wife and kids and grandkids living till you're fat and bald and chugging Viagra. That is my perfect ending. And it's the only one that I'm gonna get.
So as you can see, Dean Winchester is pretty much giving the viewers hints of what's going to come later down, since it's not a movie, it's a series, but later down the line. But again, for whoever's watched Supernatural, they can see that they do die a lot, like way more than they should, but they do die a lot, which is also foreshadowing that events will happen where Sam gets stabbed in the back, where Dean gets stabbed in the chest with the Archangel blade. So you do get to see all these things shown, at least told to you guys, foreshadowed to you guys before you actually even watch it. But of course, with foreshadowing, you got to pay attention to those clues to be able to spot them. And that's how good foreshadowing is done correctly. If you guys got a lot of great information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue giving you tips and tricks for writing a successful story. So you're getting these foreshadow, these little things that you can pick up on to kind of predict what's going to happen at the end of your series or your book, because all those little breadcrumbs are spread throughout your story, spread throughout your movies, TV shows that will lead up to what's going to be the ending. So remember, foreshadowing, you got to properly know how it's going to end. You're going to want to get the breadcrumbs and from start to middle to ending to prove whatever part you want to show. And if you want the audience to be like picking up these little clues here and there, if you properly lay out these breadcrumbs, your audience will find out your ending.